Welcome friends, it's a graph here by x and y intercepts 2x plus 4y equals 8. So the x-intercept, like this, is found by setting y equal to 0 because when you're talking about the x-intercept, you're saying you're moving only along the x-axis. So it's going to be like this, 2x plus 4, and then you replace y with 0. Every single time it's like this. And then you set that equal to 8. Then you solve this resulting equation for x. So this here would be 2x equals 8, and then you just divide by 2 on both sides, so x is equal to 4. That becomes the x-intercept. For the y-intercept part, so y-intercept this way right here, you're moving up and down the y-axis only, which means that the x-coordinate is equal to 0. So it's going to be the following 2, and every single time you replace x with 0 like this, and then you're going to have here plus 4y is equal to 8. And then from here, it's going to be the following. 4y is equal to 8, and then you divide both sides by 4, so y is equal to 2 this way. And then let's make a picture of this. So drag a coordinate system, and then what you want to do is just mark 2 dots and connect them with a line. So beginning from the point 0, 0, go 4 units along the x-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mark that with a dot, for example, right there. And then repeat that for the y-intercept. So mark a dot beginning from the origin, 1, and then 2 units along the vertical axis this way. And then just connect these as follows with a line to the best of your ability. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then remember, it's a line, so it's really meant to have arrows going off in both directions. And that's how you do this kind of question. Please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in another video.